for traffic and weather together on the ones for the Princess Margaret Home Lottery in the traffic cruiser Gary Prunskis. Eastbound on the 401, traffic is heavy from the 427 to Weston and the Express. Delays to east of Keele and the Collectors. And then another backup from Dufferin to east of the Allen. That's just in the Express. And it's because of a collision east of the Allen and the Express blocking the right lane. Westbound on the 401, slow from the 412 to Salem, and busy from Nielsen to Victoria Park, alternately Express and Collectors. Looks like a new problem coming in now on the westbound 401 approaching Dixon. Lane 2 from the left is blocked with a collision. That's going to add to those delays from west of the Allen, Express and Collectors to Dixon. From the traffic center, here's Craig Gear.
Crash on the eastbound 403 approaching Aberdeen. 2 left lanes shut down. Not a lot of room to maneuver by this one. You want to move over to the right side. Delays from 6 south. You get into construction delays on the eastbound Gar